Hi, this is a redo of the Lecture 9 video about Boolean tests. Let's go ahead and get into the material. Okay, so let's just begin here. I'm going to lower my screen area here because I realize it's a little off. Let me pause and do. Okay, so take a moment now that you can see the whole concept test here and just think about which you think is correct. I'll give you a moment just to pause. Now that you're back, make sure that you understand why C needs to be the correct one here. If you look at partitioning those if, else if, and if statements, if we do it this way, we're going to run into problems with regard to partitioning out the different ages. If we do it this way, we run into problems for partitioning out the different levels with regard to the salary and experience. So C is the correct one there. Make sure you understand why. Oh, I went the wrong way. I'm having trouble. Hold on. Similarly, why don't you go ahead and figure this one out. We'll discuss it in class. If you have questions about it or are not sure, you can always email me. I like you to have something you bring to class. I realize that for this particular week, you already have it, so you could just email me if you want to check your answer. But I want you to think through this without just hearing my answer. It's important that you be able to think logically through these sequential conditional statements like this. Okay, so finally, this is something we usually do in class together. I think that we could just talk through this and think about how we craft our program, our function that would logically come up with a decision based upon this. So the question is, do I listen to baseball? The answers can be definitely, maybe, or no way, based upon the following rules. If you have 0 hours of homework to do, if I have 0 hours of homework to do, return no way, no matter how much house cleaning I have to do. If I have 0 hours of homework to do, then using the following two decisions will help us. So more than 0 of homework, then you don't watch baseball. If you have 0 hours of homework, then you use a decision rule having to do with house cleaning. Again, just a way for us to make sure we understand these if else. So, and here's another example also. We can review this also in class.